Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a cue on Spotify. Begin by opening the Spotify application on your mobile device, like a phone or tablet or your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account, as this is essential to view your personal cue. This first step is crucial for accessing your current playback, allowing you to manage your listening experience effectively. Once Spotify is open, locate the Now Playing bar, which typically appears at the bottom of your screen. Tap or click on this bar to expand it into the full screen player view. Within this expanded view, you will find several icons, one of which represents your cue. This icon often looks like 3 horizontal lines with a small play triangle, indicating your upcoming songs. With your cue now visible, you have the option to remove songs one by one. On a mobile device, simply swipe left on any song you want to delete. On a computer, hover over the song and click the small X icon that appears. This method is perfect for tailoring your cue without clearing everything. To clear the entire cue at once, look for a specific button, usually labeled Clear or Remove All. This button is typically found at the top right or bottom of your cue list. Tapping or clicking, this will empty all upcoming songs. Always confirm your action if a pop-up appears, ensuring your cue is completely reset and ready for new music.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.